Call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chase.
Welcome back to the channel, Sunshine, and today I'm bringing you a full face natural makeup look, you guys. I haven't done a makeup tutorial on my channel as of yet, and this is going to be the first one, and I hope you guys enjoy it. For you newcomers, thank you for coming. Stay for a little while. I hope you find me a delight. So the first thing we're going to do is hop right into the video, and we're going to prep our face. You guys, make sure that you are doing your skincare before you put on makeup. It's just better for your skin. I'm going to start off by using my Milani moisturizer, and then I'm also going to go in with the Kiss Pro Photo Gold Primer, you guys, that I picked up from my local wig store. It's under $10, you guys, and it's very inexpensive, and it's a really good primer. So we're going to get our face nice and primed and prepped up for our concealer. So let's get it started, you guys. Let's not waste any time. Now I'm going to be going in with a clear brow gel that I purchased from Sephora. It's transparent. Now you don't want to use, you don't want to prep your eyes like you would do a full makeup look. You want it to look as natural as possible, so you just want to do a brow gel. Now if you are thin in the eyebrows like I am, you guys, you can go in with a light brown depending on the color that skin that you have. You guys, I use a lighter brown and fill them in, just a little bit, but don't, line them up, and do it as natural as possible, you guys. And you want to wait till your brow gel dries as well, and you want to use light strokes and fill them in and make it as natural as possible, you guys, because this is going to be a no makeup look. So you don't want your eyebrows to be so defined. You want it to be as natural as possible. But again, if you are thin and sparse in the eyebrows like I am, I have to fill them in a little. It just looks very, sparse, and I don't like that look. And this pencil I got from, again, a local wig store, and it was only $2. I didn't break the bank for that. Most of the products are affordable, you guys. Okay, the next step, you guys, is going to be adding your concealer. I am going to be using the Kiss Full Coverage Concealer that I purchased from the wig store. The Kiss products are a very good, awesome product, you guys, and it's very affordable. And this concealer is actually been voted #1 concealer for an inexpensive brand, you guys, for purchasing from the wig store or a drugstore. So, and I absolutely love this. So the reason why I'm using concealer, you guys, is because it's going to give a more natural blurred effect onto your face, and it won't be such defined as a foundation would be. I'm using two colors, the 325 Toffee and the 320 Warm Honey, you guys. The Toffee's a little darker than the Warm Honey, and I'm going to be using the Toffee around the outer portions of my face and the 320 in the inner portion of my face to give it that more natural look. So I'm gonna take my beauty blender and start blending in that concealer into my skin, you guys. You want to take your time and blend your concealer or your foundation into your skin so you can get a more natural effect. It is very important that you take your time to do this, you guys, because the more you blend, the better your foundation is going to look. So now, you guys, we're going to take care of our eyes, and I'm going to be using two different shades of an eyeliner, and it's going to be that same eyeliner that I purchased from the wig store, you guys. At first I started off with a lighter brown eyeliner and it wasn't showing up, it wasn't giving enough definition, so I'm just gonna use that later on in the video on my under eyelid. And then I'm gonna change out in a few seconds to the darker shade, and then I'm going to start adding that eyeliner on. And when you're at the end of your eye, if you have that downward eyes that go in a downward at the end, you want to like cat eye it out upward, because if you take the eyeliner and follow your eyelid, it's going to make your eyes look droopy. So just before you get to the very tip of the end of your eye, you want to go upward. And after you line, you want to take your finger or a smudge brush to smudge it in so it looks more natural. So now we're almost finished with our eyeliner, you guys, and you see that I'm pulling my eye upward, what I was saying earlier in the video, because I have that downward eye shape. I'm cat eyeing it out so my eye is not droopy. You just pull the skin up and take the eyeliner and line it upward, okay? And it'll look perfect. No droopy eyes, you guys. We don't want that. Okay, you guys, see the smile on my face. I'm very happy with the way the look is turning out. It's coming out perfect. So I'm going to go in with my Super Length Kiss product. Very affordable, you guys. Mascara. Now, I couldn't find my eye curler, so I had to go in. But you should curl your eyebrows before you... your eyelashes, you guys, before you use your mascara. I usually use this for my everyday look, my more affordable products. You leave the more expensive ones for the special occasion. Anyway, that's what I do. So it's gonna come out amazing. I love this mascara, you guys, and I'm sure you will too. Oh my goodness, sunshines. I just realized I forgot to line my under eye. So we're not going to go on the waterline. We're going to take this lighter brown eyeliner and put it under the eyelid, and you want to kind of like smudge it out a little bit towards the end of that process, you guys, so it can be a little more defined. It doesn't look quite like an eyeliner, but your eyes will be a little more defined and more natural looking. So try not to miss that step, you guys. Make sure you do that, okay? I can't believe that I forgot that. Okay, you guys, like I said, I noticed that I need just a little bit of contour, and I'm gonna go in with my Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Cream Kit in the color Deep, and I'm going to be mixing actually that coral color with the espresso color and the cappuccino color, you guys, and it's going to give me a light brown tone, because you just want to go 2 or 3 shades darker than your concealer, you guys. Or if you're using a lightweight foundation or light coverage, you want it to not be so dark, you guys, because remember, this is an everyday no makeup look. It's going to be as natural as possible. That's what you want, okay? And I'm going to blend this out. Remember, blending is your friend, you guys. Blend, 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 and it'll look more natural, and it'll give a more blurred effect. Like I was saying to you guys, make sure you blend it out. This is what I'm doing now. I'm going to show you the process. It is very long, you guys, and very tedious, but the end results, it's going to look so natural. Blending is your friend, like I said earlier. Make sure you blend all of this contour into your face so it looks very, very natural, and you will be very pleased with the look. Okay, you guys, what I'm using now is an oldie but a goodie, and it's called How About Them Apples Cheek and Lip Cream Palette by The Balm, you guys. It's very old product. I'm using the color Cobbler and the color Caramel. I'm mixing those two because they'll give me a very rosy look, and I'm going to blend it in. Again, make sure you're using a cream product because we are using powder at the end, and this color will give you a more natural blushy look, you guys. And again, blend in, blend in, blend in. Yes, that's what you want to do, and it's going to give you that pretty blushed effect. Now that we got our blushy look down pat, you guys, and it's looking very beautiful and natural to me. I know the light is making it look makeup-y, but the light is just helping you guys to see what I'm doing. But you'll see if you follow along how natural this is going to look for you. So we're going to line our lips with a lip liner that I bought from the wig store. It was about $2 and it's very creamy. You want to line the lips and then bring it up a little bit and smudge it in. And then we're going to go in with our oldie but a goodie NYX Tiramisu Butter Gloss. You guys, I know you guys know about that NYX, and that is a beautiful match for melanin color skin tone. It's always been a staple, and I know you guys know exactly what I'm talking about. The brown in that tiramisu is a beautiful mix. Now you guys don't have to use this combo. You can use a combo that you like that is a natural shade, you guys. So that's totally optional, that combination. You guys, let me know what is your favorite NYX combo for your lips down in the comment section. Now you guys, I know you've been wondering, she haven't used any powder. Well, that's because I like to wait to the end when my foundation, or in this case my concealer, has completely dried. When you are a woman of a particular age, you tend to have a lot of creasing, you guys, and if you wait for it to completely dry, you won't have blotchiness and patchiness, and you're less likely to get creasing. So we don't like that, especially if you're my age. Creasing is a big deal when it comes to powder, and we do not like that. And so it's always better, that I found out through all of my years of doing makeup, it's better to wait till the end. For my under eye, I used Laura Mercier. You guys, that's a favorite. And for the rest, I'm going to go in with the e.l.f. finishing powder in medium deep. That works perfectly fine and gives a more natural look without the white casting. Now I'm gonna go in with the Revolution Glow Splendor Ultra Glow Highlighter in the color Ring Light, you guys. This is completely optional. Right now, it doesn't go with a natural look, but for me, I love doing the most. Of course, if you like doing the most, you're going to add this to give yourself a little glow. It's a golden tone, and it doesn't give off a high white cast. I feel like liquid highlighters are better, but I didn't have that. I haven't found one that's good for me, so I'm gonna use this one, and this is a favorite. And it was only $4.99 at TJ Maxx. I'm going in with the Kiss Matte Finish Setting Spray, an affordable product that I got from the wig store, under $15, you guys. And then I'm going to tidy up my eyebrows with that Sephora Brow Gel. Throughout the process, for some reason, your eyebrows always get a little messy, and you have to go back in very lightly, you guys. You don't want to smudge the product that you added there earlier. So you made it to the end. It's nice and beautiful. Look at that. It has a nice shine, you guys. So let's get ready for our beautiful, beautiful close-up. Here's that amazing close-up shot, you guys. Very glowy. I was like doing the most with that highlighter, you guys. I absolutely love it. Trust the process, and look how beautiful it came out. So I'm so happy with the look, and I hope that you guys are too. Thank you for watching my full face natural no makeup look, and I hope to see you in the next video.
You only call me on the weekends when you're out and about, only chasing highs. You only call me on the weekends.